Welcome back to Zeno page tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the search element. The search element allows you to add a custom search bar onto the page. Here I have a search element on the page, and it works exactly the same as the default search bar. Let's walk through the options the search element has to offer. First, we have placeholder. Let's say I want to set it to search anything on the site. You can change the font size, color, and you see the color is red. I can change background color for the search bar, let's say to gray. You can also adjust the padding for the search bar. Let's say I want to set it to bigger. Go ahead and save. Publish. And you see the search bar on the page. Let me search something. And you can see the result here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno page builder.